It can be hard to tell the difference between a real firearm and an air gun. 22 News reporter Ashley Afonso is live in Northampton to explain some of those differences.
Yeah, yesterday we told you about 3 people who were arrested for allegedly threatening people with a pellet gun. So how hard can it be to tell the difference between an actual firearm and a fake one or a pellet gun? Well, according to the Northampton Police Department, it can be very difficult. Federal law requires toy or imitation guns to have an orange tip to let people know they're fake and that they don't fire explosive material. But the law specifically exempts BB and pellet guns. BB and pellets are types of ammunition. They're usually loaded into air guns or rifles.
Some of them do look very much like a real firearm, and some are actually called replica guns, so they're made to look identical to the real model.
In Massachusetts, you don't need an FID card to have an air gun. You do have to be 18 to buy one or with an adult to use one unless you are under the age of 18 and have a hunting license. Now, Northampton Police did tell 22 News if you buy a BB gun or a pellet gun and it has one of those orange tips on it, to leave it on there so people are able to distinguish the difference. Live from our Hampshire County Bureau, Ashley Afonso, 22 News.